Welcome to a journey of elegance and luxury in the heart of Manhattan. Join us as we unveil a captivating living room interior design crafted for a lavish penthouse, drenched in serene white color tones. This design emanates sophistication and opulence. From the tasteful furnishings that strike a balance between comfort and grandeur to the intricate detailing that adds an extra layer of charm, these living rooms are a masterpiece of design. Lavish textures intertwine with the elegant color palette, creating a visual feast for the senses. The design seamlessly blends the upscale ambience of a penthouse with the tranquility of a serene retreat, offering the best of both worlds. Step into this living room, and you'll be greeted by an atmosphere that's both inviting and awe-inspiring. Whether it's the plush sofas that beckon you to unwind or the statement decor pieces that add a touch of personality. This penthouse living room design encapsulates the essence of Manhattan's refined lifestyle. It's a harmonious symphony of opulence and comfort, orchestrated to create a space that's as inviting as it is luxurious. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below.